Hello, everybody. Welcome to bilisummaashow. I'm your host, Wayesa. If you don't like this show, you don't have to watch it at all. No, nobody's coming to your house and put a gun to your head and make you watch bilisummaashow, right? That's what I think. Moving on, Oromo community in South Africa protests against the Ethiopian government. If you want to read more, follow below the video link here. Of course, if you could read in Upper Oromo in a copy, it was written in Upper Oromo. Oromos in South Africa protest against the Ethiopian government. Thank you so much for watching bilisummaashow. If you have a question or concern, you could email it to bilisummaashow@gmail.com.